Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw funds from Kucoin account to your bank or card. Now you want to go ahead to your assets, click overview right there at the top. From here you want to go ahead to your trading account, and here you will find all of your coins which you have. So for example, you want to go ahead and convert some coin. Let's choose a known coin like Ethereum, for example. Now, after you found it, you'll want to go ahead, click transfer, and transfer it from trading to funding account. Choose the amount which you want to go ahead and convert and click confirm. After that, your Ethereum will be on your funding account. And from here, you want to choose an option trade and convert. Click on it. After, you will be redirected to this page where you want to go ahead and pay Ethereum, just like so, and buy USDT. So you will convert Ethereum or some other coin to USDT because it can be used to go ahead and have the best option and the best price for fiat money. So once you will convert it by entering the amount, after that you want to go ahead and click buy crypto and choose fast trade. After this, you will be redirected to this page where you can choose to sell it. So you will sell USDT, choose the amount you want to sell. And after this, you can also choose a currency which you want to go ahead and get paid with. You will choose to receive it, for example, with web money or whatever you want to go ahead and use. And after this, you're gonna sell it. Also, the payment method is right there. You can go ahead, click here, add a card, choose, enter basically the card number and so on and so forth. And that's your payment method. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.